Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of cutting-edge dashcams with a comprehensive review of the Nextbase 622GWs. Whether you're looking to enhance your vehicle's security or capture those scenic road trips, this 4K dashcam bundle might just be what you need. Let's get started. Overview of features. The Nextbase 622GW is packed with impressive features designed to deliver top-notch performance and reliability. From 4K Ultra HD recording to built-in Alexa, let's take a closer look at what sets this dashcam apart. Rear camera. This bundle includes a rear camera that records at 1080p, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your vehicle from multiple angles. It's perfect for capturing all the action, front and back, enhancing your overall security on the road. 4K Ultra HD recording. One of the standout features of the 622GW is its 4K Ultra HD recording capability. This ensures that every detail is captured with stunning precision, making it easier to identify crucial information in case of an incident. Image stabilization. Advanced image stabilization is another highlight, minimizing the impact of vibrations and road bumps on your footage. This feature ensures clear and steady recordings, so you don't miss out on important details. Fast transfers with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Say goodbye to long waits with the Nextbase 622GW's dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Enjoy ultra-fast transfer speeds, allowing you to download footage to your phone quickly and efficiently. Defogging feature. Driving in foggy conditions, the defogging feature enhances clarity, ensuring your footage remains useful even when visibility is poor. This is vital for identifying details in all weather conditions. Super slow motion. Capture crucial details with super slow motion at 1080p 120fps. This feature is ideal for reviewing and identifying important information for evidence, giving you a closer look at any incidents. Built-in Alexa. The built-in Alexa functionality allows you to control your dashcam with voice commands. Play music, make calls, get directions, and control smart home devices, all hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. Intelligent parking mode. Lastly, the intelligent parking mode automatically records any movement or impact on your vehicle when parked, providing an extra layer of security and peace of mind. Overall, the Nextbase 622GW is a feature-rich dashcam that excels in providing high-quality recordings and comprehensive vehicle coverage. Its advanced capabilities, like image stabilization, super slow motion, and built-in Alexa, make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their driving security and experience. Have you used the Nextbase 622GW? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching.